Okay, now that we've added a photo over here, we're just going to be adding our music now, which we can do by going to audio again over here or adding your own. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to create a video using CapCut with audio and pictures. So it's pretty simple. Creating a video using CapCut while adding photos and videos and music or audio is actually quite the same. It's actually exactly the same as editing in other softwares. So there's this similarity between all video editing softwares, and CapCut isn't that much different. What I just see that's good about CapCut is that it actually has a lot of presets that you can use, such as effects, which makes your videos 10 times much better. So now that we're here on CapCut, the first thing that we need to do is to go over here and create a project. So I'm just gonna click on the X on here and wait for the CapCut to open. So what we need to do now is we need to import photos here. Since we're gonna be making photos, we can also import audio here or like music. But what CapCut actually has is that it also has its own stock materials over here that we can just access. As you can see, they have these here. And aside from that, they also have audio over here that are also available to be used. So we can just use that for now. So let's add some photos here by going to import. I'm just going to go to downloads and just find a photo. For example, this one here, San Telmo. So you just need to drag this photo onto your timeline and it should immediately create this video, or at least your project. Okay. Now that we've added a photo over here, we're just going to be adding our music now, which we can do by going to audio again over here or adding your own through import over here. So when you go here to import, you just need to find the audio that you want to have, maybe something that you downloaded, and you can just add it here, import here, and then just drag it onto the timeline. Otherwise, you can go over here to audio and then choose one of the songs here. For example, the acoustic form here. This one, I'm gonna download it because this one is actually free. The other ones here are pro, which means I can access that. And even if I did, I won't be able to save it. So I'm just going to drag this now down to our timeline and just adjust it to match the same duration with our, our photo over here. So what you can do is you can actually cut this from here by clicking the split function over here. So as you can see, it's now split in two. You can just delete this by clicking right click and then delete. You also have delete left or delete right. So for example, if we do put everything back here, it's on split. When you go and click on delete right here, it will just remove everything from there. Okay, so when we play our video, see, now we have a video with a simple photo and music. It's that simple. Once you're done, you just go over here to export, and you can now save your video with the prepared settings that you want to go with it. So yeah, just save it as a video like that, and then we just export it and we wait for it to download. This is actually a preview of our video now. As you can see, it does have the audio that we want, so it's done. That's it. When you go over to open folder over here and access our video that we just made, now we should have this. That's it. That is how you can make a simple video with photos and music on CapCut. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.